Hi guys, welcome to LifeHackIT. Today I have my co-anchor here. She wanted to be with us and say hi. And we're gonna talk about awesome tips and tricks to have a gorgeous look with things that you have at home and that may not take that much time. Remember to subscribe and let's LifeHackIT. When we talk about beauty, we cannot forget our teeth. And if you want to get creative because maybe the toothpaste has too many chemicals for you, you can actually use baking soda and strawberries, apply them to your teeth and brush them. They will be very white. But if you want to get really practical and you like to drink coffee, pectin in apples are actually proven to wake you up even more and also whiten your teeth. So here's what you can do. Drink some coffee in the morning just because it's delicious, but if you do not want your teeth to get stained, grab an apple and eat it as well. You will get the double happiness of both. So I burned myself doing a video about hot glue and immediately I used toothpaste and the relief was fantastic. I think that minty flavor was great. I also read another hack about using it on your eyes to reduce that tiredness look, and when I tried it, it actually didn't work at all. It felt really burned, the mint was too strong. Perhaps if the mint would have been milder, it would have been better, but definitely that hack did not work. One thing I have heard that has worked for a lot of people is using any hemorrhoid creams. It tightens the vessel, so therefore it tightens your skin, and a lot of people use it under their neck and under their eyes and have a lot of success with it. Coconut oil is so delicious if you're gonna saute a vegetable or just cook even chicken. It's fantastic. But also coconut oil can be used in your skin. If you need to shave your legs or maybe your face, coconut oil works beautiful. Also, if you wanna deodorize your skin. My favorite is how smooth the skin is left, especially if you have irritations like eczema. So I wanted to test this hack. I heard about it and people have actually tried it, and I thought it would be fun for us to try if you want to get creative with highlighting your eyes with different colors. These are literally colors you use on paper. So this is really hot water, and I just left them for a few minutes, actually very short time. And I don't know what markers they use, what color they use, because that didn't work. So, oh, look, I take that back. Perhaps the brown is not the color to do, because the brown didn't, maybe it does a little bit. But this one, I guess it has to be really wet. Oh, that looks cool. Guys, I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it as much as I did. One thing that I'm realizing as I was learning a lot about beauty and makeup and things like that is the amount of products that come from animals. Like if you want the red They have to crush some beetles to get the red. Lanolin is made out of animals. And there's so many products. So be aware when you use products to see where they come from. Make sure no animal testing is done. I know animal testing is very big. And have fun. Thank you for watching, and until next time.